Okay, good morning student. In this session we have to learn about the chemical reaction and equations. You have to watch again and again. See part 1 to part 5th. See, this is a 6th part in a chemical reaction and equations. See, we have to learn in this session precipitation reactions. See, we already completed. See, decomposition reaction, combination reaction, displacement reaction and a double displacement reaction. In this session we have to learn about the precipitation reaction. Precipitation chemical reaction. Chemical reactions. See, in the precipitation chemical reactions, we have to learn general formula A. General formula. What said here? A solution A and solution B. A plus solution B gives to, it will be form the insoluble C and solution D. Insoluble C plus solution D. This like reaction is a forming. What said in the precipitation reactions, two solutions, insoluble C, solid, okay, C, solid. What said here, in a precipitation reaction two solutions are mixed together. Description. What said in precipitation reaction, precipitation reactions, two solutions are mixed together. Two solutions mixed together. What do you call it? Together to produce what is produce an insoluble solid. An insoluble solid is called, see, insoluble solid, which is called the precipitation, which is called the precipitation. See, here is a precipitation. See, solubility, soluble. What is solubility means? See here, precipitation once in precipitation reactions, two solutions mixed together. Two solution is a mixed together to produce an insoluble solid, which is called the precipitation reactions. For example, we have to see the solubility. Soluble means milk and milk plus water. We have to see the soluble gives milk plus water. Milk plus water. We are calling the soluble. Next, solubility is a physical property of pure substance. Solubility What's it? Solubility is the physical process. Physical process of pure substances. See, we have to see the solubility is a physical process of pure substances. See, next we have to see the what said many substances over time have to lead to some results, rules, and about the certain salt. The solubility is depend on the temperature. See, for example, we have to see the solubility. If any substances we want to soluble inside a solution, it is required the some temperature. Without temperature, it doesn't soluble in that substances. You are preparing the juices. You are preparing the at our home milk, tea. See, you are applying the heat. In the presence of heat, it will be dissolving. We are calling the, if a heat will be applied. For example, we want to make a milk. See, you are taking the milk and adding to the okay. So you are taking the milk. Okay. Here on the stove, see, you are heating. You are heating this milk. This is a dry pan stand. You are took here milk is there. This is a milk, and you are pouring the sugar. What will happen? Sugar is settled down bottom of the bowl. See, if we apply the more heat, what will happen? See, kinetic energy is generating in that solution, solvent. See, here solvent is a milk and solute is a sugar. What will happen? These crystals is a breakdown. The molecules is a breakdown, the crystals, and it will be spread all in this solution. We are calling the milk. Next we have to see what will happen. See, the temperature, if increasing, solubility also increasing. See, if a temperature is increasing, solubility is increasing. See, instead of we have to take the salt plus water. If applying the more heat, what will happen? The solubility will be increasing. See, this is about the what is solubility. Next we have to activity. See what said here, example we have to take. Example here, potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate has a solubility of it is 31.2 gram 2 gram per 100 gram of water. 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. At 20 degrees Celsius. What said here? It is a 31.2 gram. It is a per 100 gram water per. It is a easily dissolved at which temperature? 20 degrees Celsius. See, this solute, this solvent, this solute is a dissolved in 20 degrees Celsius. 20 degrees Celsius means solubility. This temperature is required for, see, solubility of K potassium nitrate. Solution that contain the mixed, see, amount of dissolved solute solid to be saturated. As it cools, the solubility can no longer hold, see, salt, so the excess amount of separate as a solid. It is the solution is cooled slowly, easily, and enough. The solid separate as crystals. The process of crystallization is to be purify, see, substances. What said here? What will happen? We are applying the more heat. Again we are cooling. See what will happen? Excessive water will be removed from that solution. We are getting the finally solid crystals. Solid crystals. See, let us, we have to complete one reactions. See, for example, hydrochloric acid is there. Okay, we already completed in 6th, 7th standard only. Okay, hydrochloric acid plus NaOH. See, NaOH. This is a solid in nature. Pellets is there, and this is a liquid. What will happen? We have to apply the heat in thermal condition. See here too, sodium chloride is a form plus water will be removed. See, we are getting the sodium chloride. For example, we have to take the china dish. See, this is a china dish. And we have to take the burner here, and here is a wire gauge this like. Next we have to keep the tripod stand, and we have to apply the heat. See, we have to apply the more and more heat. What will happen? See, we took the little bit mixture of hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride. See, here is the hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride is a liquid. See, what will happen? See, here too, it is a removing the, see, excessive water. See, water. See, this is a H2O. This is a, see, HCl plus NaOH. See, we are getting the finally here. See, we have to see that this is a china dish, and here a wire gauge, and see, this is a tripod stand. We are burning here. See, it is a cool down. No need this one. It is a cool down, and see, we are getting the finally here is a solid crystals. Crystals is a getting on the wall. See, this like crystals is a forming. See, this is a sodium chlorine, sodium chloride. See, this like activity we completed. See, this is a, what will happen if a temperature is increasing, excessive water will be removed and we are getting the finally what is sodium chloride. See, this is a sodium chloride.